while. So bear with me. Let me make sure that everything is functioning the right way. Hopefully I have internet connection to be able to go live. Uh, it looks like I'm good. And let's just talk. Let's just chat it up. Let's just have a discussion, man. I want to have more of these live streams. Um, you know, just Carl, come on. As soon as I start talking, yeah, I want to have more of these live streams. As we go along. Day to day, month to month, week to week, all these other things. But I wanted to really talk about Gitcoin because I didn't get a chance to address this. I talked to some people on the Discord. It's been a while. What's up? What's going on? Live from New York. Yes, yes. I'm not from New York, but yeah, I know what you mean. Yeah. Um, no, I'm really happy to be able to do this stream. Erica's working tonight, so I can do like a 30-minute stream and quickly talk about Gitcoin. Because Gitcoin did make a move today. DTC made a pretty big move today. Did come back pretty quick, but I can tell you that this thing, the way that it does move, I'm telling you, it's going to explode. I've been talking about this for probably a long time now, but I've been talking about it heavily for like a week or so. And the way that this has been moving, if we look at the last day, it went up to $15, almost $16 just recently. Never heard of it. Yeah, it went up to $16 just recently. So I talked about it last week when it was at like $7 or so. Let's look at it a week ago. So yeah, it was around that $7 ish mark. I put in some more money, got 300 coins in total. So now that's what I hold now. And basically I made $300 right from the start, going from $7 up to $8, and then it started to rise a little bit more and instantly jumped up to 10 and then all the way up to 15 or $16 there. So obviously was up quite a bit on that play, but the way that it did end up making a move back down, obviously it made a fast move back down based on a lot of the volume and how fast it did jump up. But this is just a little sneak peek as to what could happen, how fast this thing could move. The reason that I talk about this all the time, I'm surprised to see you online tonight. Yeah, I just decided to do it because Erica is working. The kids are asleep, and decided to just jump on. Where can I buy it? What platform can you buy this on? So you can actually get it on Coinbase. Let's look at all the platforms that you can get coin at. Let me go ahead and go on Coin Market Cap. But you can get it on Coinbase, Coinbase Pro. Let's look at some more markets here. You can get it on Binance, KuCoin. You can get it on CoinEx. You can get it on Uniswap. There's so many platforms that you can actually buy this on. And the main place that I buy it, obviously, is Coinbase, just because that's where I buy all of my crypto, either Coinbase or Coinbase Pro. And the thing about this coin is you probably want to wait maybe a little bit until it does come back down, or you can just average in. That's what I plan on doing. But right now I'm up just about close to $1,000 on this coin in a matter of a week. And could have been up a lot more, and I could have actually pulled out some, but I'm planning on, seeing this larger increase with this position, because the reason why I do believe it's going to grow, and it's not because of any use case, when you look at it, it's because of the circulating supply and how low it is based on, the amount of popularity we did see today. So the popularity today, it's up 896%. You can see that it did jump from 95th, I think it was, or 96th, up to 93rd when it comes to popularity. So it is making a move up. It's not all the way up, but it is making a move up. And it did basically double in price from $7 all the way up past $14, or even from that $18 up to $16. So it did double in price, as you saw that there. But yeah, with the amount of circulating supply at 14.2 million, it's just insane. That just, it shows me so much potential. And that's usually what I invest in my crypto with, is potential. Because the potential can be very big. As long as you do invest in at the lower points, you should be golden. Um, it says not tradable for Coinbase. No, it's good for Coinbase. You can buy it on Coinbase, as you can see right behind me here. Oh wait, you're not gonna be able to see it. If I go up to the top of the screen, I scrolled up, and now you can see that I can buy Gitcoin if I wanted to here. I can also go on Coinbase Pro, and I can buy it on there. And I can show you how much I hold too, because I like to show my position anyways. Um, yeah, you should be able to buy it on Coinbase because that's where I first bought it, and now I'm buying everything on Coinbase Pro because it's cheaper fees. So let's look at this. And here's my Coinbase Pro portfolio, and I hold Gitcoin 14%, $3,000 worth, basically 300 coins that I'm holding right now. So yeah, you can buy it on Coinbase Pro, and you can buy it on a lot of other places. Yeah, I can send to your Twitter. It's not tradable for me. That's yeah. Go ahead and show me that. I haven't been on Twitter in a while. I just don't. Sometimes I get sidetracked, with all the family stuff and everything. I'm sorry that I do because I would love to be able to tweet a little bit more. Yeah, send me what you're talking about. I really think it's because you're from New York City. Yeah, that's probably why. Probably why. What's going on? What's going on, Jay Appleseed? Yeah, just decided to jump on out of nowhere, kind of a spur of the moment type of thing. Just put the kids to sleep. At least I think I put them to sleep. And if they're asleep. Yeah, both of them. Yep, both of them are asleep. Yeah, I just put the kids to sleep, so we're good. What's up? What's going on? Yeah, just talking about cryptocurrency, really talking about Gitcoin this I was gonna say this morning, this evening, just a little bit. I just posted it. But yeah, that's most likely it. Big issues with crypto over here. So probably that's why it's gonna pick just in case. Yeah, that's horrible. Let me take a look. Oh, it's not supported. Yeah, see, that's probably it. You need like a VPN or something. I think that's how you like bypass it. Have you ever looked into bypassing like all that? I mean, I don't want to talk about it too much, but you should probably look into bypassing that whole issue because there are probably tons of people that are investing in crypto that are from New York. It's just they have like a VPN, something that tells them that they're in a different state while they're on the web, you know? So you might want to check that out. Uh, yes, I have. And I dis with SafeMoon. Bitmart is where I can buy it from, but the CIA will definitely be on me. I don't think that's the case. I don't think the CIA will be on you because you're buying cryptocurrency. Now, the IRS will be on you if you end up making a lot of money and don't pay your taxes. But I don't even know how they're doing that because these sites are not giving out the right tax information, or at least all of the tax information that you need. Whoa, surprise stream. Yes, surprise stream. How about that GTC run today? Where did that come from? It came out of nowhere. It's like it was not supposed to happen, but it shows how fast these things can actually move. You started to see things grow once you have that FOMO buying kick in. I mean, it just continues to run. The only thing is that it obviously wasn't ready to go because you could see this run up from $10 all the way up to even the the run up before then, at around $9. And you could see that go all the way up to $16, but then come back, pretty quickly. I missed this. I obviously seen that it was at $12, and that's when I talked to people in the Discord group. But yeah, Didn't catch this at $16 because I probably would have taken some out, knowing that that was a firm level of resistance, up in that $15 level. And then I would have taken a little bit out just to be able to put it in back in lower. So I probably would have taken out maybe like 100 to put that $100, 100 coin worth back in at a lower point. So I'm basically spending more and getting more coins, or spending the same amount that I put in because I'm gaining whatever I gain. And then I'm taking all of the money that I gain plus, I guess a little bit of the, um, initial cost, and then throwing it in at the bottom so I can get more coins. So if I would have sold 100 up there, I would have had a decent amount. How long are you going to be on tonight? Not long, probably until like 9:30, and then I'm going to hop off. I was torn because I could have taken my initial investment out, but I only have 20. And I think it has greater potential. Yes, it does have greater potential. That's why I kept mine in, even though I did see it at 12. Because 12, I still could have taken out 100 and expected to see this come back a little bit more. Because right now, this is still on a firm line, down. It's not really on that like consolidated line. It's starting to level out, and you're starting to see a little bit more consolidation. So somewhere around that 10 to 9, dollar level. But can I expect this to make a move back again to $7? Yes, I can expect it. I hope that it does happen because I want to buy a lot more. Again, I want to hold 1,000, but I don't want to spend over my allotted amount that I want to spend. So I want to hold 1,000 or 2,000 or 3,000 or whatever. I want to hold as much as I possibly can. But seeing the history of this, knowing that it has not come back past $3, and really since this point, it has not reached down to that level since. It's basically been at $4 to $5. It's been at above $5 for a number of months. Can I expect this to come back down to $3? Not really. It's not realistic. I would love for it to come back down to $3 because I would buy a hell of a lot at these prices. But in this beginning stage, I didn't actually see this. I believe I saw it somewhere around the June to July area. I believe that was where it was. Did you get in a fine? I didn't. I did not. You sure it's like AMC got ripped tonight? How long are you gonna be on tonight? Yeah, again, I'm gonna be on until about 9:30. That's pretty much it. Yeah, I just wanted to do like a quick stream just to talk about Gitcoin a little bit. I noticed that I love to talk about cryptocurrency, but again, my last video did better than the other crypto video that I upload, so I appreciate that, everybody that stopped by and let me know that they like the crypto content, because that does make me want to continue to do it, no matter if I am getting, just 1,000 views or, whatever. Do you see GTC reaching any more million anytime soon? What? Oh, releasing any more of that 100 million anytime soon? I don't. Not as of now. I do want to look into that a little bit more to see, because a lot of these, times where you see like max supply or total supply that's out there or whatever, sometimes that supply is not usable, like they end up having that not burned off, but just not being able to be used in a way. So that was something that was like the initial supply, but it's still out there, but not being able to be used. So I don't really know how that factors into it, but I don't see them adding on to that anytime soon. If we do see a large increase, and obviously introducing some supply would be key to the market. But um, what I'm going to tell you is that when you see 100 million circulating supply, that is still low compared to where this price actually is. 100 million, circulating supply here is still lower than, like, say, Solana. is still lower than ICP. And ICP right now is at what, $50, $40 or so, and they're still up in that level. So understand what that actually means. It doesn't mean too much for the price. It just means more for the max potential. So the max potential will probably be, I probably would have to build something out of Excel. Let me see if I already have something built. I don't know if I do. I'm gonna go to OneDrive. Things popping up. I just wanna, there we go. I don't know why that happened. But yeah, if we go to Gitcoin, right, you can see right now at the 14.2 $1 million supply, $50 would be less than $1 billion market cap. You could still see $300, less than that average market cap that I give it. And even to the level of 500, you could see that less than the average market cap. So if we look at something of 1,000, let me delete that, $1,000, that's at $14.2 billion market cap, which is not crazy. That's still $1,000 per coin that you own. Huge, right? Really, really big. It could even get higher, but I wouldn't expect anything higher than that. The full potential could be a lot bigger. But even if you did have something of, let's say, 100, I won't save this. 100, yeah. Even if you did have this, right? This would still, at $50, would still be a $5 billion market cap. At $100 will be a $10 billion market cap. So it still shows a lot of growth above where it actually is. It just takes time. It really just takes time. So that's what I'm looking at with this position. Even if they do introduce or release a lot more of this $100 million or 100 million coins or supply, it still doesn't tell me anything really. It's going to basically show me that it's going to take a little bit more effort to get to that level, but I'm not expecting it to get to like crazy prices. I'm not expecting it to get to $100 billion market cap. It can get to $100 billion market cap, but I'm not really expecting it. Like if I go back and look at this and say, hey, you know what? I am expecting it to get to $100 billion market cap. Well, let's factor that into here. Let's look at this and say, okay, this gets to $10,000. Now that's a $142 billion market cap. So I would probably factor that into maybe $7,000, right? There we go. $100 billion market cap. The full potential will be $7,000 if we were looking at it compared to some of the other altcoins that have gotten to $100 billion of a market cap. So I'm perfect just accepting 100, 200, 300, even $1,000 of a market cap. Group was asking in the Discord group about Litecoin. You hold a lot, don't you? No, I hold about 8 Litecoin. So I don't hold a lot. I'm expecting something a lot bigger than where they were. They were at $400 or so in the past, and what I'm expecting of them, I'm expecting them to get to about 500 again, and that's when I will be holding 8, and I'll probably end up selling some of those. But if it does come back to a level to where I want to buy more, maybe at the level of like 130, 120, then yeah, I will continue to buy more because it is a good coin, something that doesn't have as much supply, and I should probably be holding a little bit more than 8, but as I start to see these prices here, it starts to rise a little bit, and I start to pinch pennies for some reason, But yeah, I did see, the question on Litecoin. I didn't get a chance to answer it, so I'm glad I can answer it here. But yeah, I mainly wanted to get on here to just talk about Gitcoin because I'm not trying to like push a coin. I'm just trying to talk about something that, at least like I don't really like to like rub it in and say, oh, well, you know what, I'm right in a situation. But I do like to come on here and say, look, this is a position that I did see a lot of potential in, and look at what did happen. Kind of saying, hey, sometimes I'll make good decisions, and nowhere near do I have like 100% success rate. That's not how this goes. But I did want to come on here and say, hey, look, this is a successful move that I did, call, but it's not over. This is really just the start. This is like the, um, you know, just a starting point to where this is going to go. Well, my New Orleans Saints are not playing this week. I can chat it up about cryptocurrency. But yeah, currently sitting at $20,000 in my account. I did see them talk about. I did see the Discord group talk about algo. Currently, still holding algo and still gaining about 25 to 28 cents. Every day. And the total amount of interest that I earned over the last, I guess, month and a half, close to 2 months, um, has been about 32, almost $33. And you can see here, like if we go into algo, I'm gaining 29 cents, 28 cents, 29 cents. So every day I'm gaining a decent amount from algo. And I'll continue to add more to that position. I want to be able to gain, probably somewhere around a dollar, $10, $100 a day from this position. But that'll be a lot. If I wanted to gain $100 a day, I would need um so $10,000 would probably be around a dollar. So then I would need $100,000 in order to get to $10. So I would need $1 million in order to gain $100 a day from algo. But you know, that's still amazing. Is Gitcoin related to GitLab? I'm not sure. I I would say no, but then again, I don't know the answer to that. So the reason I don't know the answer to it is because I don't pay close attention to a lot of use cases. Sometimes I will, depending what coin it is. But once it starts getting to other altcoins, yes, you could start paying attention to a lot of the use case behind it with certain coins, but not all of them. Most of them are driven off of people that are just wanting to buy and sell to make money out of the overall deal. And then some are more on the lines of holding. So the use case does come in handy because stakeability of that coin makes people hold the position, which then drives the price up. So if you're looking to gain something with just the price, then you can obviously see that. So it's a little bit different. I guess it is Gitcoin at GitLab. Yes, it does look like it is. Lab Inc. I don't know how strong the relationship is, but yes, there's been a lot of crypto interest in the Discord lately. Discord activity is picking up. We have a few guys there who are on point with the DD. Everyone, feel free to come hang out. Yes, if you are here, if you want to, go to the Discord group, there's a link in the description to my Patreon. It's $5, and then you can join the Discord group. It really is picking up with a lot of the crypto stuff. AMC is like dying off a little bit. The interest in the Discord group is dying off, not the interest overall. Most people are just playing it out the same way to where they're just sitting on it, waiting for this to blow and then a little bit more views, retain a couple of viewers, all of that stuff. So it looks like I have bad connection. Great. So yeah, that's a good point. If you guys want to come over to the Discord group, definitely do that. And I try and go there from time to time. I don't try and just give you everything that I'm investing in or anything like that, because I feel like you get more value out of just the information that you can gain from other people. So when you have something you want to bring to the table and you can basically say, hey, I'm looking at this investment, this is what I plan on doing, then other people can come out and say, well, this is what I see in that position. I see more of a long-term move in that position. And then you start getting other points and a second opinion. If someone comes out and says, yeah, that looks like it could be a great decision there. I'm going to put some money into there. Well, then that kind of just validated your point, right? And now you could make that investment. So basically, you're choosing to make that investment for yourself rather than following somebody. I hate when people follow people, like, just, hey, I'm investing in this. Well, I'm going to invest in it too, like type of thing. What's the reason that you're going to put that move into there? You know what I mean? I want to know all the details behind it. So you gotta have reasoning behind it. And if it comes down to you making a decision on when to get out, because like, look, you can follow somebody all you want, but then if it comes down to it and they don't let you know when they're getting out and you get out late, well, now you're looking at them and saying, well, why didn't you tell everybody you were getting out? Why why is that on them to tell you when they're getting out? You should be able to make your own decision. Do you know? You know what I mean? Because I can tell you what the hardest part of investing. You can say that any other part is harder. You can say that researching is the hardest part, or getting in the position, finding an entry point is the hardest part. But I guarantee that 99% of the people, probably even more than that, 100% of the people, um, have trouble with getting out of the position, because getting out with something you're satisfied with is extremely difficult, because you can get out and it can continue to go up and you're not happy with that. You can get out and then you get out too early, and then instead of you losing $20, now you lost out on the opportunity of gaining $20,000. You know what I mean? So uh, it's a difficult situation. But if you stick to your strategy, then it's a different story, to where now you feel successful because you stuck to your strategy. Your strategy is always the same. So if your strategy is to only lose $20 and you lose $20, you get out of the position, you stuck to your strategy, that's a success. Things like that. So anyways, that's kind of a long-winded answer to going to check out the Discord group. Go ahead and check out the Discord group. Links in the description. Is there anybody on Twitch? I'm not on TikTok right now, but TikTok, that video got 2 million views. 20 million views would be great. 2 million views. The Magic Penny versus $1 million. That's insane. All right, guys. So yeah, I wanted to come on here and just talk about Gitcoin a little bit. And no way am I pushing just one coin and saying that this is the best coin in the world, because everyone knows that other coins are making moves as well. You can see Solana making a move. You can see Bitcoin making a decent move. Has that solid push for 100K. You can see a lot of different things that are making moves. And I believe I saw some over here when I went here. Coin market cap, cryptocurrencies. I did see some big movers. Stacks was making a move in the last 7 days. We can look at, NU, that's up 398%. That's huge. So there's a lot of different things that are making moves. But I just wanted to get on here and talk about the Gitcoin move and what I'm doing with that position. And if I sold the position, to give you guys an update, and I didn't. I still hold my 300 coins. So anyways, I'm going to get out of here. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like these, more streams like these. If you guys want more, then definitely let me know. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow morning sometime. It should be around 8 to 9. So expect it then. But I will catch you guys in the next video.